Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we talk real personal finance, smart money moves, and building wealth without the BS. Today's topic is a complete game changer: how to build online income independently, no invites, no referrals, just your skills and effort. If you're sick and tired of those shady invite 10 friends and get rich schemes that promise the world but deliver absolutely nothing, this one's for you. We're talking legit, solo ways to earn real money online in 2025 using nothing but your brain, your hustle, and mostly free tools. No MLM, no pyramid nonsense. Just you, grinding smart and getting paid. By the end of this, you'll have 5 proven strategies you can start today. Let's dive right in. First, let's quickly talk about why independent online income matters in 2025. Inflation is still hitting hard, jobs feel less secure than ever, and side hustles are how millions of people are staying ahead. The beauty here? You don't need to recruit anyone. You simply deliver value with your own skills. And the best part, many of these paths can scale into full-time businesses without you ever leaving your house. Here are the top 5 ways that are absolutely crushing it right now. Number 1. Freelancing your skills. This is hands down the fastest way to turn what you already know into cash. No boss, no invites required. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are bigger than ever in 2025. The most in-demand skills right now: AI prompting and integration, video editing, graphic design, copywriting, SEO, and web development. If you're good at writing emails, editing short videos for TikTok or Reels, or even using tools like ChatGPT to create content faster, clients are happily paying $50 to $200 per hour. To get started, create a free profile, put together a few samples, even personal projects count, and start bidding on beginner-friendly gigs. I've seen people go from $0 to $5,000 a month in under 6 months just by showing up consistently. Pro tip: specialize in one niche, like AI-assisted content for small businesses. The demand is exploding. Number 2. Content creation on YouTube or blogging. YouTube still has almost 3 billion users. It's an absolute goldmine. You can start a channel today with nothing more than your smartphone. Niches like personal finance, tech reviews, how-to tutorials, or even faceless channels using AI voiceovers are performing incredibly well. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can monetize with ads, and plenty of creators reach those numbers in just a few months.
If video isn't your thing, start a free blog on Medium or WordPress.com and add Google AdSense or affiliate links. Yes, it takes time to grow an audience, but once you have 10 to 20 high-quality pieces of content, the passive income starts rolling in. Creators are quietly earning $1,000 to $10,000 a month completely on their own. Number 3. Affiliate marketing. And you don't even need a massive audience to make it work. This is pure solo hustle. You promote products you genuinely like through your unique links and earn commissions anywhere from 5 to 50% per sale. No inventory, no customer service, and definitely no recruiting. Sign up for free programs like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or Share a Sale. Then share your links on Pinterest, in YouTube descriptions, on a simple blog, or even in helpful Reddit and Quora answers. In 2025, Pinterest and short-form video affiliates are especially hot. I know someone who promotes finance tools this way and pulls in around $3,000 a month, almost entirely passive. The key is to create genuinely helpful content, reviews, comparisons, and tutorials that solve real problems. Number 4. Selling digital products or print on demand. This is the dream of create once, sell forever. Design ebooks, planners, online courses, or Notion templates using free tools like Canva, then sell them on platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or Teachable. Or go the print-on-demand route. Upload your designs to sites like Redbubble or Teespring for t-shirts, mugs, posters. They handle all the printing and shipping. 0 upfront costs. Creative people in niches like motivational quotes or specific hobbies are earning $2,000 to $5,000 a month with this model. Number 5. Microtasks and skill-based gigs for quick, reliable wins. While you're building the bigger income streams, use sites like Clickworker or Amazon Mechanical Turk for simple tasks, things like data labeling, transcription, or website testing. Or level up to usertesting.com, where you get paid $10 to $60 just to review websites and give feedback. You can also sell stock photos on Shutterstock or offer translation services if you're bilingual. It's completely independent, super flexible, and easily adds a few $100s a month with no investment. There you have it. 5 rock-solid, independent ways to build real online income in 2025. No invites, no scams. Just your skills and consistent effort. Pick the one that matches what you're already good at or most excited about. Freelancing. If you want fast cash.
Content creation or digital products if you're thinking long-term growth. It won't happen overnight, but if you put in 5 to 10 hours a week, you can absolutely start seeing meaningful money within a few months. Track your progress, reinvest your earnings into better tools or courses, and watch everything compound over time. Which of these 5 methods are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. I read every single one. If this helped you, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's chasing that same financial freedom. Thanks for listening. Now go out there and build that income. I'll catch you in the next one.